These cakes are too pretty to not post about. Plus, they serve what I think are actually the best cream puffs in Baguio City. They have been open for almost a decade now, pero they're still considered as a hidden gem. And I think we should change that. Kasi napaka-solid ng mga cakes nila guys. Pag natikman nyo to, for sure mag-a-agree kayo sa akin. This place is called Levan 231. It's a Korean bakery and cafe that serves not only cakes, but different pastries, rice meals, sandwiches, and more. They're open daily from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. And since malamig nga ang umaga, we started with a hot cup of citron tea and matcha latte. Good option din for breakfast itong kanilang kimchi fried rice with egg and sausages. Pero etong beef bulgogi sandwich guys, eto babalik-balikan ko yan. Ang sarap ng pagkaka-toasted ng bread tapos medyo sweet and savory yung beef at maraming fresh na gulay. Sa mga cold drinks naman, unahin natin itong super refreshing na strawberry aid and blue lemonade. Between the two, sobrang gustong-gusto ko yung strawberry guys. Panalo yan. And then meron din tayo nitong cream soup in a bread bowl at meron ding salad on the side. Yung cream soup, sakto lang naman for me pero nagko-complete talaga yung experience pag dinidip mo dyan yung crisp and toasted na bread. Pero yung salad on the side, sobrang panalo. Ang sarap ng dressing na ginagamit nila. After nyan, dito na tayo sa mga napaka-solid nilang cake. We're trying their strawberry fresh cream at eto naman yung choco fresh cream. Unang-una yung fresh cream na ginagamit nila, sobrang luxurious at iba talaga yung lasa compared sa ordinaryong whipped cream. Up next ay yung matcha mousse at yung triple choco mousse. Kung magpupunta kayo dito and you can only order one, make sure to get this triple choco mousse. Pero syempre itong matcha mousse hindi rin magpapakabog. Another set of drinks na itatry natin ay itong grapefruit aid, which is probably my favorite sa lahat ng non-coffee drinks na tinry natin sa kanila. At yung signature nilang Leven Cloud Latte. Sobrang okay din itong tiramisu nila guys. At grabe talagang pagdating sa dessert, walang tapon. Sobrang good quality yung mga to at hindi nakakasawa. At tulad nga ng sinabi ko kanina, yung cream puffs nila, I think these are the best in Baguio City. And yes, mas masarap to kaysa dun sa sikat na brand na palagi niyong pinapasabay. Tumambay muna kami ng medyo matagal para bumaba yung kinain at nang makapag-taste test kami ng iilan sa mga pastries nila. Ito yung parang truffles na gawa rin doon sa fresh cream nila. Nag-take out ako nito at talagang inuunti-unti ko hanggang ngayon para hindi maubos agad. Their French macarons are also good and comes in different flavors. Very delicate at kuhang-kuha yung tamang texture at the center. We tried their pastry with buttercream, meron din ng milk cream. Ito naman mugwort bread with red bean. At yung mugwort ay sumikat in the past for traditional medicine. Nakakatulong to improve blood pressure, digestive problems, and even irregular menstruation. Tapos ito best seller nila yan meron silang chips gawa sa tofu. Talagang nag-o-offer din sila ng mga healthier snack options. Ito naman very soft na bread with cream cheese, and this one has condensed milk and chestnuts. Sobrang okay din ng mga pasalubong options to. Perfect spot din kung naghahanap kayo ng cafe na tatambayan away from the crowds. I'm so happy I discovered them and hopefully matry nyo rin sila on your next Baguio trip.